In the previous video, we learned how to measure circuit with a multimeter. Today we're adding new component, the potentiometer. And I will call it just pot because honestly for me it's a pain to pronounce it properly. So yeah, let's stick with pot. This is a pot. Pot has 3 legs. 2 outer legs are the ends of the resistive track. One in the middle is the wiper that slides along the track. Use only the 2 outer legs and it behaves like a fixed resistor. Big knob pots are great for user control. Trimmer pots are tiny and set once with a screwdriver. First, let's see what is happening here. Let's place our pot somewhere here, like this, and let's measure some resistance. First, let's take 2 outer leg. This one and this one, I guess, yes, and this is 1k ohms, and this is the highest resistance the pot can have. And when we turn the knob, I'm turning the knob, nothing happened, nothing changing. Now when you connect only these 2 legs, you have fixed resistor. Now let's check this leg, lower one, with the wiper. Now we have 300 ohms. Let's turn the knob clockwise and it's raising up. When we turn counterclockwise, it's falling down. But let's see what happens if we measure wiper with the top leg. Now, when we turn counterclockwise, it's raising up. So you can choose how you wanna connect this pot, and it will act differently if you connect in one way or other. In one way it will raise when you turn left, and in other way it will fall down when you turn left. So keep it in mind. Okay, let's connect our pot into our circuit. First we will take out our resistor and we will place it. We will place it like this. Okay, now we will connect our middle leg from pot to this leg from resistor, and the outer legs of the pot will be up high and one be down here like this. Now we will connect our lower leg to the ground like this, and upper leg to the power like this. Now you can turn on power and rotate our knob, and it's working. always include a fixed resistor with LED, because even if the pot is at minimum, the LED stays safe. Common values for the pots are 1K, 10K, 100K. For this demo I used 1K plus a small fixed resistor. It works well. You can compare 1K ohm and 10K ohm pot and choose what you prefer, precise or range. Tell me in the comment. That's the pot, the simple way to control resistance and brightness. You will see it everywhere. Next we'll combine the resistor and capacitor to create RC timing, the foundation for blinkers, fades and our upcoming 555 project.